Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Twitter permanently suspend problem. To know how to fix or how to solve Twitter permanently suspend problem, you should just go to settings like this. Sorry for that mistake. You should just go to settings like this here. Then you will go to when you will click settings, you will go to Twitter. After that, you will click here, you will go to first stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, when you will end this, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.